Hello everyone, today we are talking about this ceiling light. It works incredibly well if you have all type of fixture and you don't want to struggle with calling electrician and paying a lot of money. I use this as regular bulb thing. It has this attachment and it works really well. As you can see, this has bunch of different color option. It can go from 6,000 to 27,000, and as you can see, I installed it all of them by myself, removed the old ones and installed it. Very easy installation. So like you would have this old regular bulb size fixture here. So all you have to do is just put this like a regular bulb and you are pretty much done with. So this thing here has to go inside right there. You can just place it inside and just push it up, and once you do that it will look like that and works really well. I am really happy with the result and I really like the color. You can change it, you can dim it. So I have a dimmer as well, so it is dimmable. You can dim it almost to like nothing. So here the full going down, down, and almost like nothing. So that works really well. I really like it. If you like some like warm color, you can change it to like a yellowish color. It also has it on here. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.